To make an adjustable shoulder strap is really very easy. We've got a long length of webbing or pre-made handle. Got both sides faced up without any twists in it. Grab your adjustable slider, place the raw edge of your handle through one side, over the adjustable slide and through the other side. Still got everything nice and flat. Bring this around, move your slider down, fold the end up once and then fold that over. So you've got the raw edge folded up to the buckle and then you'll fold over the buckle and stitch that in place. Let's go do that. So with those edges folded, we're going to sew close to the buckle, back and forward, then go backward, turn your work and go forward, go back and forward, turn one more time and go forward. That's your buckle in place. Okay, we've got the end folded over. Grab your swivel clip, slide that on up all the way over to the other side and bring the end of your handle up to your adjustable slider. Bring it in from the inside and through the outside and pull. That's one side done. Have the wrong side faced up with the buckle face down. Go to the other end, take your other swivel clip, place that on with the flat edge faced up. Fold this edge over, fold this edge over, and double check that it is nice and flat along with this. So you can adjust your slider all the way so that you can see it. You've got the clip at the fold, your slider, and the other end here. We can sew that together. You'll do exactly what we did before. Rotate, go backward, rotate, go forward, rotate, go forward and back. And there we have our finished adjustable crossbody or shoulder strap.